So now opening up this phone and let's see water situation inside. Okay, so much water inside. The water is like kind of like filled all over the place. So at this initial stage, when that happened probably a few hours ago, there's a very good chance that this phone will survive. But right away we have to remove all the parts, camera covers, open up the plate on the motherboard, remove the proximity sensor and the front camera stuff, and just service it completely, dry it out completely, and then put it back. Once there's no water, there's a good chance that this phone is going to survive. Okay, so you can see the red tape also there. So it's a fairly, filled with the water, and this is not a good thing for the phone. Water inside the phone is like it get electrocuted, and time is the essence. As I said, if it takes much time for customer to decide what to do, it's going to like really kill the phone. Okay, because battery is powered, and that really powers run all over the areas where it is not needed. Okay, that kills the phone very quickly. Okay, so let us we'll open up the camera cover, we open up this, we remove the battery cover, remove the display, okay, and remove the proximity sensor here, and then dry it out completely. Put it on a heat pad for like on a 70 degree for at least like 5 minutes each side, and then and let's see if there's no water trace. Let it cool down, and then put it back. Most of the time this trick works. Okay, so let it open up these ones, and then the cover. First and foremost, open up the plate on the battery, or also on the motherboard. Now it's going to basically stay wherever it is, but quickly we have to open up and clean up this phone, removing the camera because the camera has a lot of water. Similarly, this area need to be clean as well. The water is standing here. Okay, and then we will put it back after drying out completely. This drying process should take at least 1 hour. So there's no water at all inside. And good thing is the clean water. With the clean water, there's much better chance that the phone is going to survive. If it is a seawater or a pool water, then seawater is the worst place where the phone can dip in. Pool water still has a lot of chlorine that can also cause the damage more faster. But the fresh water is less harmful for the phone in the same amount of time. Okay, so we're gonna clean it, remove all the parts where like plate here, undo all the connections. All the connections must need to be undone. So at least if there's any water is sitting in the connections in the flex cables, at least that is, that will not be in contact. So very good chance that your phone is going to survive. So most of these connectors are undone. Now we can remove it and then clean it. Okay. So I gave it about 1 hour to 2 hours time to any of these liquid submerged or water damaged submerged phone. Now everything is fully dried, you know, like phone is cooled down, and we are going to basically install the parts back on it. Okay, so all the flex cables and connector was undone, and I put it back. Battery is going to be the last one, and I'm just going to connect all the cameras, all the cables. Then I'm going to connect the display and see what happened.
Plus. Oh,
okay, so all the cables connected. I'm going to power it up, see what happened. Okay, so it needs to be charged. I'm going to charge it and we'll check it later. After charging it, we'll test all the functionality. So now I charged this battery for like 20 minutes. Battery has some charged, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to just check it thoroughly now. Here it is. Phone is on. Okay. Very nice. Phone is on. I'm just going to test with the password. All the camera works. Okay. Everything works. Front. Yeah, I have not connected completely, but the front works. Okay. Okay, front works, everything works. Let me check the sound and haptic. Works, no problem. Wonderful. So pretty much everything works after like just drying it completely, cleaning this phone thoroughly. Okay, so as I said earlier, this is just time, which is the most important part in that. If it takes longer time, this phone becomes like, you know, more risk to be more damaged. And right now, apparently everything is good. Charging is okay, everything is charging. Even the Face ID is okay. Let me see the Face ID. Set up an alternate appearance, then the Face ID is also good. Face ID is also good, so this is good. Like everything works. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to just close it, put it back, all the secure plates, this plate on the camera, final testing it, and then just give it back to the customer. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you get video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button so it can be, you know, you will be able to get new videos as soon as they come. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.